County in just 1 year. That's according to the County Drug Task Force. Action News Now reporter Tori Apodaca is live in South Oroville with details about those drug numbers released today for 2021.
Illicit drugs are killing more people than we've seen in the past, Linda. That's why the Butte County Interagency Narcotics Task Force, or BINTF, is really focusing on schools, going into them like the one you see behind me, and really educating students about the dangers of drugs and preventing these overdoses from happening. Now take a look at these numbers. Methamphetamine has been a concern here in Butte County since the 80s. Now its use is on the rise again, more than doubling from where it was at in 2019. But law enforcement says fentanyl is an even bigger concern. In 2018, there were 0 overdose deaths. In 2021, there were 41 deaths caused by fentanyl in Butte County.
We have a role to play. Our agents do a fantastic job doing their role. But you have to look at education and those prevention efforts that our public health and behavioral health departments, in particular in this county, do a fantastic job of doing. So it's got to be looked at comprehensively.
To me, the answer is mental health. That children and young people and older people wouldn't have the need to use the drugs if they were mentally healthy.
In all, Butte County had 114 overdose deaths from illegal drugs in 2021. BINTF Commander Michael O'Brien says the number of overdose deaths for fentanyl could be a lot worse if it weren't for naloxone. It's used to reverse the effects of opioid overdoses by first responders and others, but it doesn't work against meth. And it's important to note that the different drugs we're talking about here, or where they're coming from, O'Brien says that they aren't coming anywhere locally, but instead from drug trafficking happening in Mexico and also in China. And also, this isn't just a problem we're seeing here in Butte County, but it's also happening across our state and including our entire nation. Reporting live in Butte County, Tori Apodaca, Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
Thank you, Tori. Now, BINTF says another dangerous trend emerging is the number of ghost guns that officers have been seizing, including during recent arrests made in Magalia